Good morning, students. Welcome to my today's class. Today again we will continue with the lesson unit number 4 about Kalpana Chawla. The exercise number B, read the newspaper report to find the following facts about Colombia's ill fact vox. So dear students, you have to go through the newspaper and this is your homework. That's why I have taken this is your homework that you have to find out from the newspaper the following facts about the Colombia's ill fated voyage. Now you are using a lot of mobile, so from the mobile you get a lot of information about it. So this is your homework, today's homework. Then we go to the working with the language. Okay, working with the language, the first one is match the following. Okay, so unprecedented space tragedy. Okay, so a sad accident of a kind that has never happened before in space. Okay, a sad accident of a kind that has never happened before in space. Here also the words meaning, joining the words meaning through the match the following. Certified flight instructor, a person with the correct qualification to teach people to fly planes. Space mission, a set of jobs to be done in space by a group. Super specialization, great expertise in a limited field or a particular subject. Encyclopedic knowledge, so having knowledge of a wide variety of subjects. Awe-inspiring, something that causes feelings of respect and wonder. And the last one is in this age, nowadays, in this time. So dear students, you have to complete this match the following as it is given in the sheet. Don't draw the lines with the pencils. Okay. So next let us go to the number B. Use these phrases in sentences of your own after finding out their meanings. So there are a lot of words we need to find out. Also it is given in the exercise. Okay. So the first word is broke apart. So the meaning of broke apart is the plane carrying 100 persons broke apart in the sky. Broke apart meaning is it is given in the bracket broke into pieces. Second one, stretched over to leave a line or a long mark. A comet was seen striking over Delhi towards the horizon. Okay. Number 3, spread across, spread far and wide. The news of a victory spread across the country. Lift off, to rise. The rocket lifted off the launching site. Blast off, launched by the firing of a rocket. The rocket blasted off at noon. Went on means continued. The meaning of went on is continued. He went on talking for a long time. Cheered along means encouraging people. I cheered along with others as the runners passed away. When we go to watch cricket, no sports games, when we watch on the television, we see the cheers girls are there. Okay, cheers. On board, in a ship, aeroplane or spacecraft, there were 500 passengers on board when the ship started its way. Carry on meaning is continue. Carry on the good work. So the broke apart meaning is broke into pieces. Struck over, to leave a line or a long mark. Spread across, spread far and wide. Lift up means rise. Blast up means by launched by the firing of a rocket. Okay. Went on means continued. Cheered along means encouraged. On board in a ship, aeroplane or spacecraft. Carry on the good look. So dear students, this is our today's exercise, that is in the textbook, page number 51. Okay, number B, read the newspaper report to find the following facts about the Columbia's ill-fated voyage. And the secondly, working with the language, we did the match the following words. And number B, in the working with the language, use these phrases in sentences of your own after finding out their meanings. So write down with a good handwriting in your notebook. Thank you to all.